In this exercise, you will learn about TIG welding process. The main equipment required for TIG welding are AC or DC power supply, welding torch, electrode, shielding gas cylinder, cooling system, and remote current control. Welding torch utilizes a non-consumable electrode. This electrode is made up of tungsten metal. The tungsten has the highest melting temperature of 3,400 degrees Celsius. The diameter of the electrode may vary between 0.5 and 5 millimeters, or 0.02 and 0.2 inches, and their length may vary from 75 to 150 millimeters, or 3 inches to 6 inches. The welding torch is connected with cables to the power supply and with hoses to the shielding gas source and cooling system. When the power supply is switched on, power is transmitted from power source to electrode and generate an arc between electrode and workpiece. The thermionic action maintains the stable arc and helps transfer the heat away from the electrode. The tungsten electrode of melting point 3,400 degrees Celsius can support an arc temperature of 6,000 degrees Celsius without melting, since most of the heat is carried away from the electrode by thermionic action. Due to the high temperature of the arc, the metal edges get melted and joined together. The metals are also joined by using filler rod. The filler metal used for TIG welding is a solid rod. The filler rod is available in different sizes for welding purpose. During welding, the torch angle must be about 15 to 20 degrees away from the direction of traveling. When filler rod is used, hold it as low as possible and avoid touching of tungsten electrode. Due to high temperature from the power supply, an arc is produced between the tungsten electrode and workpiece. The electrode in the torch melts the base metal by generating an arc, and the base metal melts the filler rod for perfect welding. While the arc is produced, the inert gas passes through the holder and surrounds the electrode and the arc. The pressure of the shielding gas can be adjusted by gas regulator in the cylinder from 25 to 80 psi, pounds per square inch. The flow can be measured by flow meter, which has a manually operated needle valve, which controls the argon flow from 10 to 60 SCFH, standard cubic feet per hour. This protects the weld from the atmospheric gases, such as nitrogen and oxygen, so that oxidization in welded area is prevented. As a result of this shielding gas, a clean and precise weld is formed. Thus, the metals will be welded by melting the base metal and depositing the filler materials into the weld portion. Due to high temperature created in the electrode, temperature is reduced by passing water from the cooling system. Remote current control is used to change the welding current occasionally without going near the power source. TIG welding is a very good process for welding non-ferrous metals such as aluminum, titanium, and stainless steel, and so on. Thus, you have learnt about the TIG welding process.